Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to update your Nintendo Switch custom firmware to Atmosphere 0.8.6 custom firmware, and it's pretty easy, so just follow my steps and you'll be totally fine. I will leave the link in the description, and yeah, let's get going. To begin with, you will need to go to the following website and download the file. And yeah, just click download, and when you're done you need to extract the file. So it's gotta, if you have Windows or you're using Mac, it doesn't really matter, you need to unpack the zip file. So just do like you normally do, and when you have the file you will have to plug in your SD card from your Nintendo Switch. So yeah, do that, and after that, we will have to transfer the files to the SD card. Right, now when your SD card is connected, you need to open it. And with the files you just downloaded, you need to open that folder. And what you'll have to do is you have to drag and drop every single file in here into the SD card. So it's pretty simple. You just copy everything and just paste it right here. And yeah. But I have already done this, so yeah. Just follow the steps and you'll be good. Alright, now what you have to do is you have to disconnect the SD card and plug it back in your Nintendo Switch, and I will see you on the Nintendo Switch. Alright, when you have plugged in your SD card in your Nintendo Switch, you will need the RCM loader. So just plug it back inside, and you should press volume up and power key. And when it's loaded, you need to you can unplug this, and you need to go to launch. You'll need to go to payloads, lockpick, because the old keys is old keys and you need the new keys. So press volume up again, they will give you the new keys. And when it's done, you need to press to the recovery, so RCM. So you just press the volume up. Now you need to plug in your RCM again, loader I mean, and this time you need to go to launch and you need to check custom firmware and just let it boot. Alright, when that's booting up, you need to go into settings, and you should see that you are on Atmosphere 0.8.6. Now this is a new update, so when you press the album, you no longer go to the custom firmware, you'll go directly to the album. So what you need to do is you need to hold the R and press the album at the same time, and you will be into the homebrew menu. And that was it. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more. Bye.